So hello everyone and welcome back on in this IoT course. In the first particular module, we looked into what IoT is, why do we need it today, and what are the different applications of IoT, and we talked a little bit upon the industrial IoT aspects. Now that information is enough information in order to know about the background of IoT. Now let's start diving deeper into the technical details of IoT. And first up, we'll start with the basic hardware. So this particular module, that is module number 2, will look into the basic hardware involvement in IoT. And we'll talk about the different microcontrollers, sensors, etc. Now, following the same layout, we'll first list out the content in order to structure our study. Number 1, we'll study about major hardware components. Number 2, what is a microcontroller? Number 3, what is ESP8266? Number 4, the pin out of ESP8266. Number 5, what is Arduino Uno? Number 6, what are sensors? Number 7, what are the different types of sensors? And finally, what are the other IoT hardware components? Now, you guys don't need to worry if you don't know anything about this content, because we'll talk about everything in minute details and cover all the basics that are required. So just sit tight and wait for the coming slides.